Alright, this is Par's Revenge here. We're going to check out the new mode they gave us for the lab this weekend. This time it's back up and you can try it out. It's free. Just go to the multiplayer and they'll just do it automatically for you. It'll take a little bit longer to load up, but then everything should be working. We're going to try it out right now. This weekend is going to be supposedly a shotgun only match, which I really wasn't looking forward to. Alright, and here we go. I haven't played in like a couple, probably like a week or so. So I need time to warm up. Holy shit, look at the ammo count. Damn. That's a shotgun. Jesus Christ. Damn. Alright, I forgot it's a deathmatch, so... Hang on, I want to test out something really quick. Is it just me, or is this is the shotgun, right? Or is this the SAS? Oh, and we got pistols. Nice. Fucking nice. Okay. I think I'll be using this. Wait. Alright, wow. This is interesting to say the least. Fuck. Very interesting so far. This isn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Maybe it's just because I'm winning, though. Damn it. Where's that bastard? Hold up. I'll just go after this guy. I got him, alright. It's nice to see that even with shotguns and pistols, the team's still, like, you know, going out there and trying to look for opponents and stuff. I haven't seen one camper yet. Damn it. So things are going pretty well right now. Not doing so hot right now, but... Damn it! This really puts you on edge. Like, this is very, very different from what you experience normally. There we go. Don't forget, you can still melee in this game. Do not forget that. I just realized that.
All right.
Damn. It's like with the shotgun, nobody's like afraid anymore. They all just want to go out there and do it. There's really like no real place to hide. Holy fuck. Damn it. Oh, this is going to be a close one. Hold up. I think we got this. I think we got this. There we go. Damn, it's like I kill somebody and then they got two people waiting on the side to knock me out. I think we got this match. Alright, so there you have it. That was decently fun, I have to say. That was pretty fun. So yeah, last thoughts about it. So people aren't really camping right now. So, I mean, maybe just those individuals weren't campers in nature, so that's what made the game more fun. But alright, so I played about 3 more matches, and like I said before, there weren't really any campers out there. They all were just going out there and having fun, just trying to kill as many people as they could. This was actually a blast to play. I really enjoyed this week's lab mode. Although I was surprised to see some idiot actually glitched in this mode. He glitched with a shotgun and a pistol. Like, how does that even work? But anyways, so this was a very big surprise. I was not expecting to like this mode. Now, although I didn't do too great, I did better in the next rounds. And you know, it's a lot of fun, really. The clips are huge for your ammo, so you really don't need another weapon for pretty much the whole game. And yeah, it's very fun. I actually recommend this week's lab more than the last one. Also, one more thing. Since this is shotgun and pistol only, be sure to change your boosters. Let me get into that for a sec. So yeah, definitely change your boosters. Like, don't put on the Hellblazer, obviously. There's no GAUs for you to use. Not too many here. I don't have too many boosters to start off with, but in the slot 2, don't put on Explosive Expert. There's no grenades. Launch Man, Rocket Man. You probably don't need Surefoot. You really don't need Keep Firing because you have plenty of bullets for last the whole match. But anyways, that's my review of the shotgun and pistol lab this week. So I figured that they're going to be doing this for a while, pretty much every other week. So I'll be back in 2 weeks to do a review on the upcoming one, which I heard is going to be a sniper-only round, which I'm really not looking forward to that one. But anyways, I also have I've had a Twitter right now, but I haven't actually used it or activated it yet. So if you want to follow that, I'm probably not going to be doing too many updates right now. But if you want to follow it and get a head start before I start like really using it, that'd be great. You can get caught up on all my latest crazy antics and stuff and learn about special projects. And I might even do giveaways every now and then because I got a couple gift cards that I kind of want to give away I don't really need. So yeah, just follow that. The link will be below in the description. And yeah, so this is Pleez Revenge. Please check out this lab. It's surprisingly fun. Definitely have a blast with it. And thanks Uncharted for giving us another great week of lab playlist. Alright, thanks again guys.